Gangs and drug dealers accept you all unconditionally. And if you don't have that level of confidence and self-control and self-management and social awareness, you go to where you can gain affiliation, because that's the third rung of Maslow's hierarchy. And if you don't have a sense of belonging, a relationship, or affiliation with the place that you go to school or do work every day, you will seek to find it. You will also be less likely to make educational, academic, or social risks, meaning I'm not going to learn higher level math if I don't have a sense of relationship or affiliation in the place where I'm being taught higher level math. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.